Automotive OEMs in the EV industry are facing a number of challenges because the industry is evolving at lightning speed and solutions need to come from a wide array of industries.
3M is uniquely positioned to address challenges EV manufacturers might have because we're a surface science and a technology expert, and we've been working in the auto industry for over 100 years. And we have a full portfolio of adhesives and tapes that can be flexible and adaptable to current design challenges. Customers might choose 3M tapes for EV battery applications because they can help improve line speeds by providing immediate handling strength, which means that they have strength right when pressure is applied and there's no need for fixturing or cure times. Our broad range of adhesives at 3M also allow customers to bond to the variety of materials that are in EV batteries, like different alloys and composite.
A new structural adhesive solution 3M is developing is for cold plate bonding to replace brazing or cold rolled bonding solutions for cold plate assembly. This new structural adhesive solution enables design flexibility and the use of high-strength aluminum alloys. We have also made several advancements in automated adhesive dispensing to optimize efficiency and quality.
We know batteries need to perform at a wide temperature range, so we formulate our adhesives to work at very low and very high temperatures. Part testing is expensive, so we have a team of FEA experts that can work to help accurately model and simulate tapes and adhesives in a design before the part testing takes place. We also have bonding process centers located worldwide where customers can come to one of our facilities and use our automation equipment to dispense our tapes and adhesives into their application. When a customer is ready to get started, they can either contact one of our local sales reps to get them in touch with technical experts, or they can visit 3m.com to learn more.